Good afternoon. Today we're going to look inside the box of the Airfix 148 scale Hawker Hurricane Mk1 from the Better Britain. This is a new Airfix tool. So inside the box we have the sprue of the wing, the propeller, the fuselage. These are the wheels, the interior of the aircraft, the main wing, all the spars for the aircraft, and the clear canopy parts. And we have the deco sheet. This is the kit. Basically, you can see most of the interior is all aluminium, Humber 56, with a little bit of some parts being in black, like these. Where the leg pedals are black, but basically everything else seems to be more or less aluminium, except of course your pilot, which you have to paint it a different colors. Then you have the option of whether you want to open up to display the guns. So if we display the guns, this is all the interior you get to build. Basically it's all black, all Humber 85. One part of the wing, second part of the wing. So this portion is for the guns you can look in. This one we did close. Then your fuselage is basically aluminium 56, except for 3 panels on top here, which is black, and a little bit of interior green. The panels for the dials are all black, and the front part of it is interior green. This is just the under part of the fuselage. You can move your flaps. These are your back flaps. So you have wheels down position, wheels up position, wheels down position. This is how the wheels down position is. The propellers, and then you put your clear canopy in either closed or open position. So you have the options of the Better Britain, September 27, 1990, which is your dark egg blue and your brown green option. And the other one is also the Better Britain, which is up in Devon, and it's pretty much the same. The main difference is the color of the nose. And you have a beautiful deco sheet and all the colors. Thank you.